Hey guys, another episode of Shade Sails TV, Shade Sails Canada, coming to you here from beautiful Mississauga. We haven't done a video on brick anchors. They can be tricky. In this case, we're going into the brick itself. It's a newer brick, it's solid, and we're gonna use expansion anchors. These are just mechanical expansion anchors. You drive them into the brick, and as you turn this sheath expands and then holds the rod in the brick. Now, you can use epoxy anchor as well. This is tidier, so you're not dealing with epoxy. It's a fairly small sail, so it's a 3/8 by 3.5 inch mechanical anchor. So the first step is to drill the hole with your hammer drill. Watch as I drill, and then we'll finish the rest of the process. Got my safety glasses on. I've measured from these anchored points, and I put an X in the spot. And so I'll drill at that exact spot, and then I'll put my anchor in. Good hammer drill, you'll make short work of that. As you can see, you'll see that I've drilled into the middle of the brick. Sometimes older brick will crack. This is new brick. I'm more confident about the brick than I am the mortar joint in this case, but you have to kind of make that assessment. Now I'm gonna put my anchor in the wall. See, that nut is on the end. When I bash this in carefully, I don't want to be ruining the thread. Behind this brick is another layer of block or something that this is getting into. If I was just going into the brick itself, it'd have to have a shorter anchor. And you also have to make sure that this brick and the mortar joints are really strong. If this is a really old house, an old mortar might be dry and cracked. So this is an example where we got some anchorable stuff behind, plus the brick is new and the mortar joints are new. So I'm fortunate there. Again, your sail can't be massive doing this. This sail is only 15 by 12 or something. You can't have a 25-foot sail off a brick anchor like this. It'll just pull the brick out. So again, for small sails and even multiple attachment points, you got one over there, could add a midpoint, it breaks up the load. You can use brick anchors like this for smaller sails. So I'll finish this up and I'll show you the finished product. Next step is to tighten this nut so that the expansion anchor begins to expand. The idea of that the sheath that we put in there starts to expand. Now right now it's quite easy to turn, but as it expands, the end of the shaft starts to expand and now it gets tight, which is what we want. I don't want to crank it because I don't want to crack anything, but you want to make pretty friggin' tight. So now we've got our anchor set, the sheath is expanded inside, so now that's super tight, and I'll go ahead and put my eye on. So I'll remove that nut. This is just store-bought stuff from Home Depot in this case, because it's so small. This is plenty strong enough. This is a stainless steel welded eye key from us. You need the stainless steel for this, and you need the welded eye. Everything else is protected from the weather. So that's gonna go on there, and I'm just gonna tighten that eye down, so that's nice and tight. Now that anchor's tight and I can go ahead and put my sail up. Hopefully that helps a little bit on brick anchors. Again, I got fresh brick here. I got another layer behind with some strength and it's in there super tight. So I'll show you the finished product on the brick anchors from further back. We've done 6 brick anchors. Check out our website, ask us what hardware is best for your application. We're gonna set you up with the right stuff and stuff that'll last forever. Another great application here. Hopefully there's some good tips there for you. All the best. Catch you on the next one.